Hey fragrance fam! Today we're talking about a topic that a lot of small business owners struggle with, how to make and market products to a male audience. While we chat, I'll be making a cologne using one of our fragrance oils to show you the process in action. So let's dive in. First things first, picking the right scent. Many guys don't actively seek out fragrances the way women do, so you have to position your product in a way that grabs their attention. That being said, the world of personal fragrance grows more and more every day. So now is a great time to catch the attention of any guys who want to find their own signature scent. A huge advantage of working with AFI is our extraction and duplication process. With it, we can reconstruct fragrances with designer name recognition for your own brand. The fragrance that we're featuring today is our version of Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. For traditional colognes, use SDA 40B as the carrier for fragrance. For alcohol-free products, we recommend using DPG or a lightweight plant-based carrier oil. Regardless of the method you use, take a look at the IFRA documentation listed on our web store for any fragrance you use. Here's the IFRA certification sheet for our version of Tobacco Vanille. As you can see, it has a maximum usage rate of 38.25% in fine fragrance products. Of course, that doesn't mean you should use that much. Eau de Cologne typically have a fragrance concentration of 2 to 5%. Remember, most guys prefer a more subtle scent. That being said, feel free to adjust this percentage if you know your customers are looking for something stronger. Both men and women are more likely to buy cologne when they can try it first, so samples are a great marketing tool. Consider offering discovery sets, small sample size colognes in different scent families, so customers can test before committing to a full bottle. You can also bundle cologne with complementary products like beard oil, aftershave, or body wash to create a full grooming experience. This makes it a perfect gift set, which, by the way, is a great way to get women to buy your cologne for the men in their lives. Be sure to take advantage of our own free fragrance samples to try out. As a final note, keep in mind that marketing cologne to men is also how you dress it up with packaging and labeling. As a general guide, bottles should be sleek, simple, and bold. Think amber glass, minimalistic labels, and strong typography. Your marketing should focus on the lifestyle behind the fragrance. Is it perfect for a night out, a daily office staple, a rugged outdoorsy scent? When naming the colognes, go for words or phrases that evoke confidence, adventure, or sophistication. In Tobacco Vanille's case, you could go for something literal like cigars and smoked tonka, or something more abstract like intrigue. If you're thinking about adding handmade colognes to your product line, let me know in the comments what scent profiles you're considering. We'd love to help you find the perfect fragrance to add to your collection. And if you haven't already, subscribe to join the fragrance fam so you never miss an AFI update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.